Hi everybody, I'm Rick, and today we're going to walk you through the installation of the SunScreen compatible with your Sunrider for Hardtop on the 2018 and up JL Wrangler. Take some time to get familiar with all the parts in your kit. We have laid everything out that's going to be required to do the installation on the table. You have the assembly for the SunScreen, some fasteners, we'll cover those when we go through the installation, and a few brackets. The tools you'll need, 4mm hex and a 7mm socket. Installation instructions show you all the steps you need. To do the pre-assembly of the brackets onto the SunScreen assembly, the front is going to be the side the SunScreen comes out of. You roll that over. You'll see there's some threaded fasteners on both sides. These move around, so they may have shifted during shipping. So two will go on one side, two on the other. You want to start by lining up the brackets so that this outboard piece goes to the front and to the outside. And then you line these up to do the pre-assembly. Start with the large washer, then the small split washer and the nut. And then repeat that step on the other side. We've moved over to the side of the vehicle to position the SunScreen onto the Sunrider for Hardtop. It's very important. This is compatible only with the Sunrider for Hardtop. We've positioned the assembly up on top here, and the weight's going to make it want to tilt one way a little bit. That's no problem. Just hold this end down and start the screws. Tighten those up finger tight so that you can adjust it cross car, front to back, and then snug everything down and get the nuts on the bottom. Thanks for joining us today for the installation of the SunScreen on your Sunrider for JL Wrangler. If you have any questions at all, Bestop has a customer service line. You can reach us by phone, email. I think you can even chat with us now. Give us a call, contact us. We'll help you out as best we can. Hope you have a great time enjoying that product, and we'll see you out on the trail.